How to create AI icons using IconKitchen AI. First, open your web browser and go to appiconkitchen.com. Then, sign into your account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the dashboard, click Generate Icon. Next, enter a description of the icon you want to create. For example, type, "A modern blue rocket icon for a productivity app. Flat design, minimalist style, rounded corners." After entering your prompt, choose your preferred icon style from the available options, such as flat, 3D, or another supported style. Now, click the Generate button. IconKitchen AI will create your app icon in just a few seconds. Once the icon is generated, you can use the built-in editor to adjust the colors, background, and other design details if needed. When you're satisfied with the result, click Export to download icon assets for iOS, Android, or web projects. That's it! You've successfully created an AI app icon using IconKitchen AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, app design tips, and easy tech guides.